Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present my individual assignment, ISP581 Enterprise Information System. This presentation to review the ERP software. The ERP software that I choose is ERPNext. It's me, Muhammad Altaf bin Zakaria. First of all, what is ERPNext software? ERPNext is a free and open source integrated enterprise resource planning ERP software developed by an Indian software company Frappe Technologies PVT Ltd and is built on MariaDB database system using Frappe, a Python-based server-side framework. ERPNext is a generic ERP software used by manufacturers, distributors, and services companies. It includes modules like accounting, CRM, sales, purchasing, website, e-commerce, point of sale, manufacturing, warehouse, project management, inventory, and services. Also, it has domain-specific modules like schools, healthcare, agriculture, and non-profit. ERPNext is an alternative to NetSuite and QAD, and similar in function to Odoo, which is formerly OpenERP, Triton, and OpenBravo. ERPNext was included in the ERP Frontrunners list by Gartner as a pace setters. Okay, this is the homepage of ERPNext. As we see on the left side, we have many modules such as home, accounting, assets, loans, manufacturing, projects, and others. On the middle of the homepage, we have the shortcuts like item, customer, supplier, sales invoice, and leaderboards. All of these functions or features usually the big companies use. Okay, for the below of the shortcut, we have others modules like accounting, stocks, CRM, data imports, and setting. For each modules, we have sub-modules. But if you want to explore more about these modules, you just click the left side of the modules. Alright, for the top of right, we have a create workspace button and edit button. If you want to create a new workspace, you just click the button and then fill in. On this homepage, I already create a one workspace. And then for the edit button, if you want to edit homepage, you just click the edit and then edit the homepage of ERPNext. Alright, later I want to brief a little bit the sub of modules. Okay, I will explain a little bit the sub-modules of accounting. Okay, in the accounting, we have charts of accounts, we have company, customer, and supplier. Okay, we just click the company. After we click the company, it will pop up the company that you created. As we see, I just created my company, which its name is Staff DC. And then if you want to create a new company, just click the button on your top right. Okay, for example, let me just click the Staff DC, and then we will pop up the connections, all the connections of the company. All the connection is related to the Staff DC company. Sales, orders, supports, and projects. And below we can see the details of the company. Alright, as we see, we have one project. We just click the project, and then it will pop up the one project that I created, which is the World Cup jersey. In this project, after we click the project, we will show the connections of the project and the details of the projects. So we have a task, materials, purchase, and so on. And then we go to the customer. Okay, after we click the customer, it will show the customer that you created. So I just created one customer, which is a Syamil Iman. If you want to add a more customer, you just click the button on your top right. Okay, for example, we just click the Syamil Iman, which is the customer. We can see detail of the customer, such as the connections, the contact, address, and others. Alright. Okay, we just go back to home, and then we have a supplier. Okay, I just created two suppliers, which is the Patch Bagus and Kain Bagus. For example, we just click on Kain Bagus. We will pop up the same like a customer. We will pop up the details of the supplier, the connections, contact address, and so on. Okay, in the store we have an item, warehouse, brand, unit of measure, and stock reconciliation. Okay, we just click on the warehouse. Okay, it will pop up the warehouse name is goods in transit, finished good, in progress, stores, and all the warehouse. Okay, for example, we just click on the stores. We can see details of the stores. We can see the stock balance, and then all the access of the stocks. Alright, and then we just go back to the home. In CRM also we have a lead, customer group, and territory. I think I don't have much time to explain all the modules in the ERPNext software, and also I think the ERPNext software is the best ERP application that you can explore and learn, because the details of the modules in ERPNext is easy to understand and use it. Okay, other than the home page, we can see at accounting also have a shortcut and the sub of the accounting, assets, and the others. And lastly, I think that's all from me. Thank you, and sorry for my mistake in explanation.